Okay, guys, so DeepSeek have just dropped their DeepSeek harness. This is pretty exciting, I'm not gonna lie. I love DeepSeek V4 Flash, and I'm super excited to see what it can do. So basically, I've just set this up. The way I set it up, it's just so everyone knows, is I just asked Claude Code to set it up for me. I'll leave a link to the documentation in the description of the video. Basically, all I did was, can you set up, I just said to Claude Code, can you get the DeepSeek harness set up for me? And then pasted all of the stuff from the GitHub, and then bang, it just set it up. And basically, the way it works is it gives you this GUI right here. Now, what I want to do is I want to compare the website that I built yesterday using the apparently insanely good Grok 4.6, which, I made a video yesterday about this. Honestly, Grok 4.6 is absolutely trash. I don't know what it is with people like just loving Elon Musk or whatever. But the amount of people supporting Elon and telling me that, yeah, like this guy said, a lot of butthurt comments from Elon fans. He is right. Grok sucks. Deal with it. I don't know what it is with Grok, but every time you say anything negative about Grok, then people just jump at you. It's absolutely crazy. I personally think that it's still an absolutely terrible model, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prove that. I'm going to do exactly the same build using the new DeepSeek harness, using DeepSeek V4 Plaque, which should be technically nowhere near the level of Grok 4.6, and I'm going to show that probably it's going to do a much better job. So I'm going to do exactly the same prompt. So start from scratch. Don't read any files outside of this folder, and then just give it the prompt. Holy crap, that's fast. Jesus. Okay, so let's see. Is it true that Grok 4.6 is actually better than something like DeepSeek V4 Flash? Honestly, it's embarrassing if it's not. So the cool thing here is this is hitting cache. Okay, wait, I need to stop it. Do not search for any other folders, just start from scratch. Okay, so one thing I can say about the harness, the cache hit rate is 65%, which means we save an absolute crap ton of money. But not only that, it's also just, wow, it is so fast. So if you don't know, you need to go to platform.deepseek.com first, and you need to grab yourself an API key. You need to top up. I topped up $5. I very much assume that it's not going to cost any more than $5 for this entire build. So yeah, basically I just went here, I went to API keys, got an API key, and topped up $5. And yeah, this is probably going to last me quite a while. Honestly, if I didn't have a budget, this is what I'd be using right now to build basically everything. Maybe DeepSeek V4 Pro. But yeah, I'm going to try DeepSeek V4 Flash just for now. Actually, I might change to Pro. No, I'll leave it for now. I'll leave it for now. It's still thinking, which is crazy. It's been doing a lot of thinking. Holy crap, that's a lot of thinking. Jesus. Okay, interesting. Okay, there we go. Now it's going. So that's just created 11 to-dos. Honestly, guys, this feels very strong. I should have done this with Pro, honestly, but I wanted to see what Flash could do. So I'm just going to leave this, and we'll let it run. Just before we get too deep into the video, guys, quick shout out from our sponsor, me. This is HarborSEO.ai. This is my writing tool. All you do is go up here, add your website, and then once you've added your website, let's say you want to write for HarborSEO.ai. Basically, what happens is you start to generate keywords immediately. These keywords also include actual keyword data from Google themselves, right? And let's say you like this one, how AI influenced search in 2026. You can just press write this now, and literally within 2 or 3 clicks, I can't generate because I don't have any content, but this would already be generating content, and the level of content is just so good. So you can see here, guys, this is what a real example would look like. Let's say that you like, you've already picked a keyword, you've already written it. Let's just click on this one right here. So this is best Italian blazers for high stakes venture capital meetings in 2026. What we should see is a load of blazers in this article. Look at that. Such good quality writing. It's super relevant to what your website and also to your content idea. And it's also incredibly cheap. Make a free account, go and check it out, guys. Press lock in price once you're happy with it, and go and lock in the price of €29 a month for 35 articles a month. You will not find a better quality tool for the price on the market. It just doesn't exist. And if you really like the tool, if you go to /annual, so harborseo.ai/annual, then we currently have possibly one of the best offers you'll ever see, which is 6 months free on any annual plan. HarborSEO.ai/annual. Go and lock in annual pricing, guys, with a 50% off. Absolutely crazy offer. With all that being said, guys, there's a link for Harbor in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks for your attention. Let's jump back into the video. Okay, so that is now done. That was pretty quick. I reckon that was pretty thorough as well, honestly. It's hard to say how much I've actually spent, but it looks like I've spent probably around 15 cents once that's actually uploaded. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's done, and yeah, you can just see straight away this is like 1,000 times better than Grok 4.6. That SVG is crazy good. Crazy, crazy, crazy good. Let's just click around a little bit. So let's go locations. Nah, this is like one of the best I've ever seen. What the actual hell, dude? What? Nah, what? This is crazy good. Jesus. Yeah, I don't know what it is about DeepSeek, but they are cooking something over there at DeepSeek. Yeah, this is one of the best I've ever seen. Just to clarify, I got a comment yesterday saying, like, what are you comparing this to? You obviously have no idea what you're doing. I mean, I'm sure most of you know this, but if you don't know this, I have done this website probably 150 times with 150 different models. So that's what I'm comparing it to, right? It's called having a brain and like having a memory and being able to remember things. So yeah, that's what I'm comparing it to, just so we're all on the same page. So this is pretty rare. Actually, swapping between Italian and English does not reset the page. Normally, it goes back to the home page. Yeah, no, I think this might be the best one I've ever seen. The main reason I'm making this video is to show you that Grok 4.6 is absolute horse crap, and everyone is just like a little bottom feeder from Elon Musk. What are they called? What are those fish called? Yeah, they like, Elon owns Twitter. He is this guy here, and then all of these little bloody bottom feeders just holding on, and I don't even know. Like, I don't know what it is. If you look on Twitter, it's the same thing with like other Twitter users. They all just like they're reply guys, and they're just begging for a retweet from King Elon or whatever. I hate that shit. Honestly, I really, really don't like it. It's not just Elon. There are other people too. But Elon is like the biggest example of this. Grok 4.6 is absolutely trash compared to this. Look at that SVG. That's insane. That actually looks like a Rolls-Royce. I don't know if it looks like a Rolls-Royce Ghost specifically. It's not like I know what a Ghost looks like. Let's have a look. It does actually look like a Rolls-Royce Ghost. That is crazy. Yeah, honestly, guys, if I had zero budget or very, very low budget, I would be using DeepSeek. Yeah, I just got a phone call, kind of lost my train of thought there, guys. But this model, absolutely crazy. This new harness, absolutely crazy. Super fast, super high quality. I don't think I've ever seen a better quality output, honestly. Guys, with all that being said, I think I'm going to leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. Go and check out HarborSEO.ai. And if you like it, feel free to get 6 months free using /annual. Thanks for watching. You're all legends. Peace out.